welcome to the Magic Time segment. Sudarshan sir, welcome on Hocus Focus with Aanchal.
I'm really excited about this one because I've been following you, your travel magic show and all.
Yes.
You've spoken so many times. I've seen that.
Yes.
And to actually be, and you won't believe, we were discussing that most of the times I'm awake all night doing something and I keep watching America's Got Talent and Britain's Got Talent और वो magicians के मैं ना ये देखता रहता हूँ. I keep looking. So it's like, I'm transported into that what I used to see.
Thank you so much. Let's do this. Are you ready?
Yes, absolutely.
Right. So Sudarshan sir, this is a game of imagination. So I have this deck of cards and we all know we are aware of different cards. For now, I want you to choose any random card of your choice. Choose any random card, pick any card from the middle, anywhere.
Okay.
And have a look at the card. Don't show it to me. Just show it to the camera. Make sure the audience knows it. And just have a look at it and remember that card.
Yeah.
And just say me stop anywhere you want. Just say me stop anywhere.
Stop.
Yeah, this is where you can keep the card here.
Okay.
And now your card is somewhere in the middle, right?
Yeah.
There is no way in the world I can ever know that what is your card and where your card is.
बिल्कुल.
You know what your card is, but do you know where your card is?
इस deck के अंदर है, but कहाँ पे है मुझे भी नहीं मालूम.
Somewhere in the middle, right? Now, suppose this is your card. This is your card. Though I know this is not your card, but suppose this is your card. Do you remember keeping your card on the deck like this? You remember that?
हाँ, उस time पे रखा था मैंने. हाँ.
So all the cards in this deck are actually blue.
हाँ.
Yeah.
हाँ.
Now I want you to imagine in your mind, think of this way, that the card that you have selected is slowly turning into a red card from the back, which means the card that you have selected is slowly turning into a red card. I want you to close your eyes, okay? In your mind, take a deep breath. Imagine that if that card is slowly, that blue is fading away and that red is taking over the card.
Absolutely.
Have you done that? Are you able to imagine that?
Yes.
Imagine, open your eyes.
Yeah.
Open your eyes.
Yeah.
Let's see if that imagination has turned into a reality. Are you ready? Okay. I'm gonna spread the cards and see if, there's only one card that has turned red. Yeah. And there's only one card. It's exactly in the middle where you have kept your card. Right? Let's check if this is.
This is unbelievable. मैंने blue रखा था.
Let's check if this is your card. Right? Are you ready? Before I actually turn this card, what was the card that you were thinking?
4 of Hearts.
4 of Hearts. Is this your card?
Oh yes, it is.
It is your card. All right. What I want you to do is, for now we'll keep this card right here, right? And we'll shuffle this up. Now what we did earlier, we made you imagine the card that it was turning into red. But you imagine the back of the card turning red.
Yeah.
Yes?
Yeah.
Now I want you to imagine any random card of your choice. Think of a card of your choice. Think of a card of your choice randomly and imagine that card in your mind. Now what I want you to do is, I want you to imagine now the face of the card. Earlier you imagined the back of the card. Now imagine the face of that card. What was the card that we selected?
4 of Hearts.
4 of Hearts. Now imagine 4 of Hearts is slowly turning away into the card of your choice that you're thinking in your mind.
Possible, but amazing.
Yeah. Imagine that slowly. Take a deep breath, close your eyes and imagine as if that card is fading away and the card of your choice is taking the print on the card. Imagine it very clearly. Are you able to do that?
Yes.
Okay. What was the card that you were thinking of?
The card that I was thinking.
Yes.
It's very difficult for a creative person to stick at one thing, but somehow I've been sticking to the number 6 of diamonds because I think diamonds are the rarest to get and people are diamonds. So that way, 6 of diamonds is what I was thinking.
So are you ready for this?
Yeah.
Should we turn the card then?
Don't tell me that's translated to that. Absolutely incredible. This is like, I'm totally awestruck. 6 of diamonds. मतलब I do not know वो मैंने 6 सोचा क्यों, क्योंकि इतने सारे numbers हैं. I am a number 1 being 28. Still I thought of 6. And diamonds is basically, diamond तो सोचना ही था because मुझे लगता है हर कोई हीरा है. Diamonds like you.
Awesome.
So
That's
definitely
like
how it changed, I have no idea. और ये मतलब इसे आश्चर्यचकित, आश्चर्यजनक,
Thank you so much. Glad you liked it.
अगम्य.
Thank you. Glad you liked it. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
ऑलराइट दोस्तों, अगर आपको ऐसी मैजिक वीडियोस देखकर एंटरटेन होना है तो सब्सक्राइब टू आवर चैनल. ऑल्सो प्रेस द बेल आइकॉन सो दैट यू गेट नोटिफाइड अबाउट एवरी मैजिकल अपडेट. एंड ऑल्सो अगर आप मैजिक सीखने में इंटरेस्टेड हैं तो डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए गए लिंक को क्लिक कीजिए एंड मैजिक कोर्स एक्सेस कीजिए. एंड सब्सक्राइब टू आवर चैनल. I'll see you again on every Thursday and Saturday 7 p.m.